Sesame Lane, our values are the core of our business. We have 6 values that we follow each day. Smiling is contagious. While this may sound very simple, a smile can take you a long way. Excellent customer care. It is important to remember that our families are our customers. If you see someone looking around, appreciate them with a positive tone and help. Safety is our priority. The safety and well-being of every single person at Sesame Lane is our #1 priority. Please keep safety in mind in all that you do. Attitude is everything. A positive attitude makes you happier and more resilient and improves your relationships. Make someone stay. The smallest kindness can make a massive impact to those around you. Be thoughtful and kind just because you can. And lastly, empathy. We care enough to show it. Step into the shoes of the other person and truly understand their feelings and perspectives.